Hello. Hello. I was taught to come by and see if my friend's dog was here.
Well, here's the thing. If there's a dog here...
Well, I know that. Hold on. Awesome.
Okay.
Oh, that was embarrassing. All right, everybody, welcome back. I'll post this to everything, probably, like I always do. But today we're going on a ride. We're on the Surron Light B electric motorcycle, or electric dirt bike. Let me show you. Electric dirt bike, 6 kilowatts of power, and this thing's a blast. So we're just gonna do a quick ride and answer some of the questions. I put a post up on social. I said, hey guys, what's some questions that you have that I can answer in the next video? And you guys had a couple, so we're gonna go for a ride. Remember, subscribe, join the rides, join the family. So we are going to the animal shelter to see if there is an animal there that is a friend of mine that went missing. Fingers crossed, but probably not. We're gonna hope. And while we're riding, we're gonna answer some questions that you guys have about this bike. This thing's awesome. So once we get off the road real quick, I will get down and answer some questions. I'll pull up TikTok and I'll give you guys a shout out since you guys ask questions. This is how it works. Okay, what better of a place than here? What better time than now than to read the messages of the people of TikTok? Okay, so of course it doesn't recognize me on, whoa, it just unlocked. That's crazy. Okay, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, Matt Okins Official, and then Instagram is still Street Mobs. So, focus. All right, so the first question comes from Ryan Nicholas. He says, what size is it? And what would it compare to in fuel? I guess you're talking about like the size of like a 125 or whatever. I'm not super familiar with sizes, but I mean, I'm 6'1", 250, and this thing hits 50 miles an hour for me. So the seat height is about as high as a picnic table. So it's kind of a cross mix match between, it's got a mountain bike front end. It's also got a good suspension, but it's also like a dirt bike that's electric. There's not really like a category yet for it. I would say it's a smaller bike, like a 125. Let's say a 125. All right, thanks, Nicholas. Try V Gold. I don't know how to say your name. I'll just say V Gold because that's cool. Says it's probably a trials bike. Car was loud. You could probably use it as a trials bike. Definitely, I've seen people make these things. The thing about the Surron, which is what this thing is called, S-U-R-R-O-N X. There's different models and stuff, different editions. And the thing about it is these things are highly upgradable. Like you can make these things wicked fast. Right out the gate, they're going 50 miles an hour, give or take. And yeah, you're gonna have a blast right out the gate. But I mean, you can put new controllers on them. You can make these things super fast. You can dial the torque in. It's pretty cool. So, appreciate it, V Gold. UXCKYY, I don't know how to say that, but appreciate your comment, man. It says, how much did you pay for it and is it worth it? So, I'll give you guys a look at it while I talk about it. That would help probably, right? So this bike, they're hard to find, okay? So, if you get one used, they're rather expensive. Used, you can get one for around, if you're lucky, $3,000 up to, you know, $3,000 to $4,000, and then brand new out the box with a warranty, they're about $4,300. It has a 60-mile range. It goes 50 miles an hour. You can make them street legal, I think. I don't really worry about it because it's electric, and I just like can go wherever I want. Nobody says anything, but is it worth it to me? Yes. And let me tell you why while I ride it. It is to me because about 2 years ago, I switched from a car to an electric bike, right? And I used that and I didn't pay insurance, I didn't pay gas, I didn't pay any kind of car payment for like 2 years. And then I went to an electric skateboard, and then I went to a faster electric bike, and it just wasn't kicking it. And then I got this, and this is what I became content with. Like, this thing is awesome, at least to me. I mean, personally, I think it's safer because, you know, I don't have to interact with cars if I don't want to. So 4K, 4,000, and to me, it's worth it. It might not be to you. I'm also not a rich person. I don't have a lot of money. I eat ramen noodles all the time, so we'll talk about this top speed real quick. Super windy right now. But that was about 47 miles per hour, top speed. And then, yeah, so top speed, 47. All right, so let's pull out another comment. All right, the comment we are about to address is from, okay, so it looks super cool. Thank you, Randall Rosar, no question, but I appreciate it. I'm gonna heart that one. All right, so the next comment is from Mike Town 768. He says, that shit is going to explode and send you like 200 feet in the air, and I'm going to laugh. I mean, this thing's pretty well built, my guy. I'm 6'1", 245. It's got the power for wheelies. Definitely do them. I'm not the best at it, but I'm learning. I mean, dude, that's a funny comment, actually. I'm gonna laugh. It's hilarious. Appreciate the comment, though. I appreciate the comment. Thanks for triggering my algorithm. Okay, so the next question is, what is the brand? It's called a Surron X. Surron X. Surron X. Then they have different editions like the Ludicrous, the Light B. This is the Light B. Surron X Light B. 6,000 watts. And it's an electric dirt bike. I appreciate your comment. Abel Galaxia? Gaxolia? I don't know. But cool. We are on the road. That completes the question answering portion. Now let's just go ride. And yeah. So this is why I like this thing. I can just not have to do the road thing, and I can just go basically wherever I want. want to go through there, man. Okay, so today is kind of rainy. It's wet from last night rain. So we're just taking it easy, kind of cruising. I have to go over to Paws, which is an animal rescue, because my friend thinks that his dog that he lost, he saw a picture on their website, and we just want to make sure that it's not his dog, because I mean, how could you live with not going up there? So he lives a good bit away, so I'm just gonna ride over there on the bike, have fun. We're riding on the Surron X Light B edition. Gotta always watch out for people and traffic. Oh, that's a weird part of pavement. Appreciate it, mailbox guy. We have any behind us? All right, guys, we're letting it rip. Let's go. We're about 50, 47. And we're just gonna cut through right here. Just a lane split. Bum, 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 bum. Don't give a shit. Yeah, so this is also what's cool about this thing, man. I can basically go anywhere that I want, which is great. That's the fun part. And like getting places is different, you know what I mean? It's not just the same road, the same drive, the same traffic lights with the same assholes on the way to work. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, I can ride this thing. I can have a blast every single day. You know, if you're working, you drive this thing to work. That's 2 fun things that you get to do each day. Oh, wow, this is a big ass hill. Okay, let's go down it. Oh, wow, okay. We are in some mud. We're just cruising. And make sure we get off the road at the right time. We do not want to be on the road in incoming traffic. That is not a fun place to be, but we are going right over there. That is a animal shelter. So yeah, it can keep up with traffic fine. in most places. So here we are. All right, Zeb, I hope your dog's here, man. That would be outstanding. That would be outstanding. All right, let's go in and see what we got. Hello. Hello. I was taught to come by and see if my friend's dog was here.
Well, here's the thing. If there's a dog here,
Well, I know that. Hold on, let me show it to you.
we have no dogs. This is a cat-only facility.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I say it would be a surprise. I think he may be trying to get to paws.
Yes.
This is Socks.
This is Socks.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's an obvious mistake. Where's Paws at?
You're gonna go down this road right here.
Okay.
And you're gonna hang a left, and I think you're gonna go about 3 lights down, and you're gonna come up on Lovejoy. But it's just literally
Right there.
5 minutes down.
Cool. Awesome. Oh, that was embarrassing. Okay, so definitely not the same place. I'm looking for Paws. That was embarrassing. The lady's like, we don't have dogs. This is a cat-only facility. Oh shit, they don't have a dog. Okay. Wrong place. Paws. Directions. Oh, okay. Dude, it's a cat-only place. All right, well, that was embarrassing as shit. Definitely not there, because that was a cat-only facility, as you guys saw. So we're going over to the correct place. Oop. I don't really know this part of the neighborhood very well. Well, that's the impound lot, I guess. Okay. So now I think we need to go. Don't do it, bro. Thank you for stopping. All right, let's get out to a main road so I can kind of figure out where the hell I am. Because right now, I have no idea. And it's so windy, my brain can't even think. Jeez. Is that the alarm going off saying I should go through this open field? I see an open field on a Surron. Well, I'm a simple man. I see an open field. I'm on an electric. Okay, so unfortunately the dog was not there. Gotta go home now. All right, so Zeb, sad days, sorry bro, no dog. The GoPro cut off. This is on the iPhone, so I don't know if I'm gonna mix this in another video or just make this a video on its own. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.